Hello friends, in this video we will talk about Amrit Dhara. Amrit Dhara is a solution to more than 100 of problems. Amrit Dhara was very popular 40 to 50 years back. Each house used to have Amrit Dhara in their houses, and for small issues they used Amrit Dhara and did not depend upon the allopathy medicines. First I will tell you how to prepare Amrit Dhara in your house, and then we will talk about the benefits of Amrit Dhara. Take BHIMSEN KAPOOR, also known as BHIMSEN or BHIMSEN, and it is the kapoor which is edible kapoor. You can ask for edible kapoor which can be eaten. So take 15 grams of BHIMSEN KAPOOR. Second is take ajwain sat. This also comes in the solid form like white small pieces. Take 15 grams of ajwain sat. Third and the last ingredient is menthol or the peppermint. You can ask for pudina peppermint. Mix all these three things, ajwain sat, BHIMSEN KAPOOR and menthol, in a small glass bottle and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also keep it in the sun and you will see that it will turn into a liquid. And now your Amrit Dhara is ready to be consumed. Now we will see the benefits of Amrit Dhara. Amrit Dhara can be used whenever there is indigestion or you have had heavy food. Just add 2 drops of Amrit Dhara in a half cup of water and have it. Immediately you will feel relieved. If you are having headache, just take 2-3 drops of Amrit Dhara and rub it on your head. It will work like Vicks or any other balm. If there is any insect bite, you can just apply Amrit Dhara on that bite area. Immediately you will feel relieved. When one feels epileptic attack and people try to make them smell shoe and all, it is better to make them inhale Amrit Dhara. This will be really beneficial. When there is any cold, cough or congestion, at that time also 2 drops of Amrit Dhara can be given in half cup of water. When there is a blockage of the nose, many times people say that the nose is always blocked. In that case, you can apply just a drop of Amrit Dhara on each side of your nostril and you will see that your breathing becomes very smooth. Before pranayam, if you apply this Amrit Dhara each side on your nostril, you will have very good deep cleansing of your lungs. Amrit Dhara can be used in any emergency situation. Even if one is having a toothache, one can take a piece of cotton and put 2 drops of Amrit Dhara and just keep it under that tooth. So you will get relief from the pain. So do try these tips and use this Friends, do take the benefit of this and give me your feedback. Smile, thanks. Life designer Taranpreet Kaur.